guys, we're back with another video, and today we're going to be playing Subway Surfers Dubai. I don't know what that's called though. So guys, this game, I played it. I want to do a video on it, you already know. So yeah guys, make sure to subscribe, because I'm trying to get to 20 subscribers. And like the video to support the channel. Click the notifications bell to know every time when I upload. And let me see the stuff I got right now. Okay. No, get that out of my face. Okay, now further ado, let's get started. So my challenge is to get to 2,000 and then just die. That's my challenge. Okay, guys? So here we go. Y'all gonna see my skills. Oh, free. I need to get those letters. I be playing. Let's go faster. I want to go faster.
This is literally the epitome of a girl who does those rich teen Snapchat, who thinks she's above everyone else, when in fact, she's just like everyone else. Does that make sense? Quote that. Don't quote that.
Oh, okay. That was nothing because I wasn't paying attention.
Will you stop it? Very true. There's a lot of poor kids out there that can't even afford clothing, and the spoiled rich girl has all the options in the world, but it seems like she can't get that in her head. Kids have to go through trash to find shoes, pants, and wear it to school. So it is sad to see this spoiled rich girl, even though it's all an act. I like how the public reacts so far.
Ooh, let's get to 2,000, guys. Oh my gosh. Bro, this is gonna be taking so long, like.
Yes, no, we're doing it.
Oh, look at my feet. They were going so quick. God dang, this is going quick. Let's get that.
Yes, alimentaría a los perros.
Look.
Like a happy seal. Just feed me. Feed me the memes. These are the best facial expressions I've seen in videos ever. If this happened in real life, and you saw this for yourself, would I videotape it? I don't know what I would do. I'm not in like an area around people like that. Like maybe if you went to really rich places, really rich areas, maybe you'd find something similar. But I don't know, I've never seen that.
Yeah, these look like they're just quiet for a fool. Oh! Nuh-uh, I'm loading an ad, bro. No, bro, I'm loading an ad, bro. I can't be doing that. No, bro. Nah, bro. I am not doing that, bro. I am not doing that. I am not doing that, bro. What else supposed to be doing? Let's do this. Get him back in the game. Get me out of this. Let's get back in it. Okay, here we go. So we go. Oh, saw how I just did that? And now we're definitely got to get the 2,000. We're at 1,000 now. Damn, look how quick I am now.
This girl was probably my favorite of all the other ones. The other ones got really defensive. She got hurt herself, emotional even. Amazing, guys. Go check out the original video. We're gonna end it on a good note here. That is it for the video. Don't forget, if you don't follow both of us, make sure to do that right now. Look at that. Look at this guy, alright? How can you hate him? Manos. Yes, Manos. Manos' hands. I understand. Your hands hurt? That is it for the video. If you know a spoiled rich teen or a spoiled girl, boy, whoever it is, it may be your cousin, maybe a friend that gets whatever they want, whenever they want, and are not grateful for it whatsoever, put it down in the comments. I want to read about it. I know people have gotten cars for their birthday and they complain. It's unbelievable. That is it for the video. Hope you guys have a good one. See you next time. And until then, peace out.
Oh, frick. Guys, y'all stay looking at those coins. See if I get a 2,000 and then I'll just die and end the video off, baby. Okay, stay with that thing. Y'all know when I had done.
It's not Christmas yet. But I got ready, just in case. You know, I got the Christmas tree. Smart emoji is now in full Christmas spirit. No, just kidding. It's not Christmas until you get into the Christmas spirit of spoiled children freaking out with Christmas presents. Oh, God.
Probably next time I'm gonna make it to 4,000.
Unless you like it. Some people are saying it makes me look more mature, while I'm saying I can't be more mature. I'm out. I even got these cool glasses. I'm official. No, I gotta get my trusty sidekick. Freedom. You're stuck here with me.
Whoa! Oh, what if I messed up right there, bro? That would have been the most heartbreaking thing ever. See how quick I am? Okay. My thing is about to die. Oh gosh. Bro, wait. Bro. Dude, this is actually scary. Okay, guys. Wait to 2,000. I'm just gonna do this and I'm good. Okay, guys, that's all for the video today. As you can see, we made it to 2,000. So yeah, we did good on this one. We did super good. And guys, make sure to subscribe and like the video. tell your friends. Just tell your friends and just tell everybody about my channel and make sure they subscribe because I'm trying to get to like 30 subscribers. I'm trying to be a good person and try to have a great content in my channel. Like, I love playing video games. Video games is gonna be my life. And YouTube is gonna be my life. So guys, make sure to subscribe, like the video, click the notification bell to know every time when I upload. And bye guys. And I want to get to 30. Let's do it. We can do the unexpected. So guys, let's do it. Bye guys.